everybody, welcome back to Kaden's Kitchen. Today, we're making Texas sheet cake.
These are the ingredients you'll need. Eggs, butter, water, vanilla, baking powder, salt, cocoa, brown sugar, white sugar, sour cream, and flour.
Now add butter, water, and cocoa.
Looks good already. Why can't we eat it like this?
Bring to a boil. Now add the vanilla and brown sugar.
And mix.
Now add everything else. Stir until no longer lumpy.
Pour it in the pan and spread evenly. Bake for 20 minutes at 350.
While that bakes, we will make the frosting. These are the ingredients you'll need. Butter, sour cream, cocoa, powdered sugar, vanilla. Now mix the cocoa and butter and bring to a boil. Now stir in the powdered sugar. So white.
Next, pour over cake.
Now for my favorite part, the taste test. That's pretty good.
Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time for another mystery.